Hey guys, this is Maria from showysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to change the speed of a video on Instagram Reels. Instagram allows you to slow down or speed up your Reels videos. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to the Instagram Home tab, swipe right or hit your story in the upper left corner. Click on the Reels option at the bottom of the screen. Then find the speed icon on the left and press on it. Now choose the speed of your video. If you want to make a slow motion video, then use the 0.3x or 0.5x speed. To speed up a video, select the 2x or 3x speed. When you are ready to record a video, tap the button. After that, click on the arrow button. You can edit your video by adding stickers, writing or drawing something on your video if you want. Hit the arrow button one more time. Now simply press on the share button in order to post your video. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to change the speed of a video on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at showysocial.com.